Do you
May
think
gimmick
that
yan.
the impeachment trial ni Sara Duterte overshadowing yung pinakamalaking pressing issue sa bansa, which is the oil price?
No, not at all. They're two different issues.
And would you believe naman dito sa impeachment trial or proceedings, yung bang pagsusubpina ng dokumento at mga witnesses, that does it justify to be politically motivated?
Never. It is not. Why? Because we're talking about fairness. We're talking about objectivity. That's why yung subpoena is not politically motivated. Tingnan nyo sa korte, pag pinapatawag, pag pinapasubpoena ang isang witness, ito ba may political motivation? Wala. The only motivation is the truth. Kaya pinapasubpoena yung mga evidence.